Guys, there's people in this bunker. Let's shout it now.
Hello, is anyone there? Hello?
Make a noise, please. Could you like make a noise or anything? We've seen a hand.
It's not next week morning.
If they're going in the bunker, yeah. Hello?
No, this is stodgy ass. Hello? Oh my god!
So, if I did give it away, I would like purely recommend if you're gonna come.
You go with your parents, like
Yeah.
that parents' permission, or we're not telling you to go in the bunker because we're.
Yeah, because like the thing is, that is dangerous for people being there and stuff. So just
It is dangerous.
best
Like,
advice
you
is
wanna
just don't
check
go
with your
in.
parents first,
Yeah.
and. If you're an adult though, you can just go.
Yeah, if you're an adult.
But if like someone like in there, and they go, come in, we'll give you some sweets or something. Guys, don't go in.
Yeah, like I would just the best advice is just to stay away from it because it's like.
It could be all sorts
Yeah.
of people, and other
So-
viewers know what we're talking about.
So thanks for watching, guys, and until the next video, I'll see you then.